Okay, today we're going to learn about direct variation. Let's see the definition. Y varies directly as x. This means y equal kx, where k is the constant of variation. Do you see the similarities to y equal mx plus b? It is really similar. The k, the constant variation, it will be the same as the slope, and the y-intercept will be 0. Okay? Now, another way to write this k is y over x, which is the same as the slope. Is the change in y divided by the change in x. Now, how do I know when I see a graph? How do I know if it's a direct variation? Because it passed through the origin. Okay, in order to be a direct variation, it gotta pass through the origin, which means it's proportional. Let's see some examples like this one. Is passing through the origin? Obviously not, so that one will not be a direct variation. Is this one passing through the origin? Yes, so that one will be direct variation. What about this one? Passing through the origin? Yes, there will be direct variation. This one obviously is not passing through the origin, so that one is not direct variation. Now, when you have a table, that means it's proportional. That means every time y divided by x will give you the same ratio, the same constant of proportionality, okay, or the same slope. So 12 divided by 6 will be 2, 14 divided by 7 will be 2, and 16 divided by 8 will be 2, okay? So k must be constant. K must be the same number in order to be direct variation. Let's see, so in this case, the equation, we can write y equals 2x because the constant of proportionality is 2 or the slope is 2. And remember, the y-intercept is 0. Now, let's see if we can solve some problems using direct variation. It's saying given that y bears directly with x and y equals 28 when x equals 7, find x when y is equal to 52. Okay, so we made just a table x 7, y 22. We want to know the value of x when y is 52, but we know it's direct variation. So we can find the constant of proportionality first, which will be y divided by x, 28 divided by 7, which is 4. Then write it in the form of y equal kx or y equal mx, which will be y will be 52 equals 4, which is the constant of proportionality, times x, because I want to know the value of x. So solve for x, 52 divided by 4, x equals 13. So uh, x will be 13 when y is equal to 52. Let's see another example. This one, given that y bears directly with x and y is equal to 3 when x equals to 9, find y when x equals to 40.5. Okay, I set my table, my first point, x equals 9, y equals 3. Now I want to know y value when x equals 40.5. First, I need to find the constant of proportionality, which is y divided by x. 3 divided by 9 will be 1/3. So with that one, I can write an equation. Y equal kx, y equal mx, which is the same. Y equals 1/3 because that's the constant of proportionality or the slope times x, which in this case is 40.5. So that will give me y equals 13.5. So uh, when x is equals 40.5, y will be 13.5. And that's how you use direct variation to solve problems.